New vehicle entry. Vehicle selection includes new vehicle entry. You first start by selecting the application. Do you want domestic, Asian, European, or heavy duty? Then select the year of the vehicle you would like to enter. In this case, a 2001. Next, select the make. Here we select Chevrolet. You then select the line. We've selected a car. As you drill down, you select exactly the vehicle necessary to communicate to the onboard controller. We are now going through different qualifiers. Automatic, manual, is it a 3 or a 4-speed? The cable you need to use is then displayed. Your tool will display on the next screen Quick DTC Scan.